The number one rule should be to always read the reviews when it comes to TikTok, because I bought the most affordable shark vacuum and compared it to my Dyson, and now I have to return it. And it's not because it actually picks up dirt and debris and doesn't fail the spill test like the Dyson, and it's not because it's the first vacuum with a fully sealed HEPA filter system that captures over 99% of dust, allergens, and pollen, and it's not because it has a fully lift-away system so you can easily clean those hard-to-reach spots, or put the upholstery attachment on and use it on your furniture, your stairs, or in your car, or because you can manually adjust the suction so it won't pick up your area rugs anymore. But I'm returning it because I thought I was getting a good deal paying $200. When right now on TikTok, Shark's giving away a huge coupon and it's way cheaper than that. Shark's only offering this coupon for the next few days, so if you want to grab one of the best vacuums for your house at a discounted price, I'll leave a link in the corner of the video so you can get it before they sell out.